All right, we tried this once already. Let's see if we can do it again. We filmed this thing once and I was so sweaty and nasty I couldn't stand to look at myself, so I know you guys wouldn't want to see it. I mean, just stupid hot. Got under boob sweat, stomach sweat. Not cool. We're doing it again. Take two. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. Thanks for joining me, spending your valuable time here. I know you guys have been busy as well as I have, working on food plots, feeding areas, doing your scouting, working on all that. A lot of you guys up in the northern states are already getting some hunting in, seeing some really cool videos come out on YouTube, and good luck to all you guys out there. Today, we're going to talk about something real quick. We're going to talk about a cool tip to keep yourself comfortable in the saddle. Been out here today doing some practicing. If the lighting looks different, it's because I filmed this once today already, and now we're out here doing it again. So I was on that side of the creek, now I'm on this side. So I was out here earlier today doing some target shooting, playing in the saddle, shooting from the saddle, getting comfortable, working on everything, getting all the right practice in, doing our due diligence. But I wanted to take a break here and talk to you guys. What I think is really cool and kind of unique, I haven't seen anybody do it before, so I wanted to see what you thought. It's how to stay comfortable in the saddle, how to keep those knees and legs comfortable. I've seen a lot of advertisements for knee pads these days. 30 bucks for a pair of knee pads that strap around your knees, wear on the back of your legs and your skin. A lot of different variations of type of knee pads, guys. You don't have to mess with all that. I'm gonna show you something here today. You can let me know what you think, but it's something that I've done for making sure that you're comfortable in the tree stand. Is this. What you do is you take a couple of pairs of hunting pants, your favorite hunting pants. I usually have a few pairs that I wear as underneath pieces anyway. And what you want to do is you want to go to Academy, buy yourself a pair of $3 football knee pads. Go get those pants, lay them out. Now, this is really key. What you want to do is you want to get up against a wall, up against a tree, get in that low squatting position, that parallel rear to knee position, like you're doing a weight squat in those pants. But the key is to put them on reverse, inside out, so you can do this outline. You put those things on inside out. You squat down, you give it a little wiggle, because your pants are going to wiggle, they're going to ride up a little bit. Make sure you get that mark. You take that knee pad, you take your favorite pen, and you draw an outline around that knee pad on the inside part of those pants. Inside part, you do one knee and then you do the other. Now you have your template. So it's always good to make sure that those knee pads are going to be a little lower, because those pants are going to ride up. You can always hike them up a little bit. Next thing you do is you go find your favorite seamstress. You call your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, your neighbor, your friend down the street, anybody that can take care of that for you. Or if you're good with a needle, you can take care of this. You sew yourself a nice patch on there. Make sure it's deep enough. And you can slip that pad in there, that knee pad in there. When you turn it inside out, flip it out, and you will never even know these knee pads are there. You can wear them, you can walk in them, hike in them. You will not know they're there until you need them. There's no straps, restricting your knees, sweating, causing that chafing. I just can't stand that rubbing and that sweating, and I don't like the way those knee pads pinch in the back. So when you're swinging around that tree trying to get those knees comfortable, and you're leaning into that shot, and you're leaning into the tree to try to take a break, these things can be awesome. For $3, you can get these knee pads for $3. You can save your money. You don't have to do all that, and it's a really cool tip. It works perfect for me. The knee pads are washable. Your pants, you'll never know they're in there. The pockets are washable, of course. And this is a really cool tip that's going to keep you comfortable in the saddle. So go get yourself some knee pads. They look like this. There you go. Get yourself a pair of these. These pants that I got on right now, these are fitted for pocket knee pads underneath. These pads right here, you can get at Academy for $3. And you're good to go. You don't need to carry around those bulky knee pads, you already got enough stuff to store, right? Your pack is big enough. I know I got way too much stuff. I don't want to be carrying knee pads, dropping them, storing them, and forgetting them. And these are a lifesaver. When you're in the tree, you don't even have to think that they're there. When you walk, you don't even know that they're there. So really cool tip, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and see if you've done something like this before. If you know, maybe there's some clothing out there that's kind of retrofitted for this type of stuff. We're gonna go back, keep doing a little shooting. Thank you guys for joining me here today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, you thought there was some value in it, just do me a huge favor. Help me grow the channel. Hit that like button, bang that bell, subscribe to the channel. Help us grow with us going forward. I'm not going anywhere. We'll put a lot of effort into this and got some really cool stuff coming up for hunting season. Got an observation sit that's pretty cool coming up pretty soon. Like I said, I feel very fortunate to be with you here, guys, and thank you for your time. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.
When I was just a stranger, things now I wish I didn't know, like scar tissue, sacrifice, and the also present danger of the stars in the sky don't always glow.
Hey,